Well, a very warm welcome to the November edition and our final edition for 2016. Welcome. As you know, my name's Simon Pintado from the Buxton Real Estate Group. What a month. An average clearance rate of 78%. Some fantastic results for our vendors. It has been a mad rush now for the last 3 or 4 weeks for people that have been trying to sell their property and also people trying to list their property both for this year and for early 2017. But a wonderful month that it was. Here we go. Let's get stuck into it. Some of the high-end results that we had for the month of November. The best result was number 9 Montgomery Street in Brighton East. That was a beautiful mid-century home on about 1,540 square meters. The result on the day was phenomenal. Sold under the hammer for $2,820,000. We did have number 23 Hall Street, also in McKinnon. That was a beautiful renovated Californian bungalow on about 620 odd square meters. Just shy of the street record, that sold for $2.37 million. So fantastic result for Hall Street down there too. We had number 12 Clare Street in McKinnon. That was basically a development site in the growth zone. That sold for $1.742 million. And also a townhouse on Wheatley Road, number 104B Wheatley Road in McKinnon, that sold for $1.66 million. So some confidence definitely in the upper end of the market, which is spilling and flowing down to the lower end of the market as well. But year on year, this time by comparison to last year, there's been 11.3% growth just this year, which is phenomenal. It's probably our 4th year now of growth across Victoria, which is absolutely amazing, and I actually can't believe that it's gone on for this long. If you look at the trends recently and over history, that there's never actually been a growth cycle that's gone on this long. So what is my prediction for early 2017? My prediction is that the market typically starts how the market finished the year before, and it couldn't have been better with an average of clearance rate of 78% for November. December, well, obviously we've only had one weekend so far, but it started phenomenally as well. So I think that the market's going to start very strong. I think that if there is a raise in interest rates, because at the moment they've remained unchanged at 1.5%, there has been talk of some of the major banks actually lifting the cash rate. If that does happen, I think that there will be maybe a little bit of uncertainty. I think that people will maybe hold back the reins a little bit with what they do spend. Maybe there won't be as many crazy prices achieved. But all in all, I think that the market is going to remain very strong. There are population pressures. There's 2,000 people a week moving from interstate. There's 2,000 people a week moving from overseas, moving to Melbourne. So it is certainly a factor in the demand for houses, and there's still a shortage of stock, which is very unusual, I think, for this time of year. But pushing into 2017, I think it's going to start really well, and we really can't wait to get stuck into our Feb auctions. Well, in closing, I did just want to say a very big thank you to all of my clients that did entrust the sale of their home with me. Throughout 2016, it has been a wonderful year, and I really do appreciate those of you who I've sold for a first time, and many of you who I've sold for now on repeat, and obviously for referral occasions as well. I do really appreciate that. You are the lifeblood of my business, and I do look forward to obviously being able to service you and help you in anything that I possibly can now or into the future. Over Christmas, have a fantastic summer break. Enjoy the festive season. Please do stay safe and happy. Enjoy the warmer weather that we're hopefully going to have. And my name's Simon Pintado from the Buxton Real Estate Group. I can't wait to see you in 2017. I'll see you in February.